Hi Nancy, it's Tatiana, and I'm here with Bebe, who will do anything for a treat. You're just too cute. You're just like a little fur ball. What's up? Such a cute purr. You're such a cute purr, baby. Okay, do you want one more treat? She's like, rah. Crazy for this box. Hey, let me take it out. Baby. What are you doing, silly girl? Silly baby. You're such a cute purr. It's like, oh, I want it. Come here, baby. Baby. Come here. Turn around. Come here. Ah. All right. Say bye. Bye, baby.